Here at Kente TV today, we'll be taking you on a tour around the Accra Food Festival 2023. My name is George, and join me, feel free, as we go around and see what's beautifully happening today.
I see food, so I'm having a lot of fun.
Of course, a foodie of a laundry list of everything to try.
Yeah, junkies is on my bucket list, so I'm getting that cleared right now. Then
Of course.
start with something.
Of course, alright. So, what are you two going to try next? Which stalls have you really eyed out and you're going to go
The
for?
Jamaican stall.
Jamrock!
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a personal favorite too. I've been there already. How are you finding the event so far? Everything cool and everything?
Oh yeah, actually the event is really cool. I mean, there are a lot of food vendors, there are a lot of drinks, there are so many brands are here. Although we're expecting a lot of turnout, because of the rains, I think a lot of people are not here yet. We're just sitting here to play chairs, just to warm up time. So that's what we're doing for now.
Of course, yeah, showers a blessing. You cannot avoid that. The weather has, of course, not been kind to us, but it surely hasn't destroyed the vibe.